Welcome to Pacific Airshow Australia 2023, and we are just paying homage to the people of Canada as one of the guest nations.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing. The next voice you hear will be that of Martin Cruz, currently on stage with Mamma Mia at the QPAC in Brisbane through September. Please rise now for our next two national anthems, one from the United States, and of course, from right here at home, the great country of Australia. Martin Cruz.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed? How the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sailors, that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil, wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia
Martin Cruz, ladies and gentlemen, again on stage with Mamma Mia at the QPAC all the way